Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss about an interesting topic, pedigree analysis. Many students ask doubts about pedigree analysis. What is pedigree analysis? I'll explain pedigree analysis in a simple way. I'm not using any technical terms related to biology. Just I'll explain in a simple way so that easily you can understand the concept. Pedigree analysis is nothing but a family tree, that is inheritance pattern of genes. To understand inheritance pattern of genes, just look at the first box, son. So son, the characters are the genes inherited from father and mother, right? So genes are inherited from both the parents, father and mother. Now observe the third box. If you consider son, genes inherited from father, but again the genes are inherited from grandfather, grandmother. And if you consider this side, that is mother side, again in mother genes are inherited from grandfather, grandmother. So in this pedigree analysis concept, we are studying inheritance pattern of genes. Maybe skin color or defective gene, anything. So basically inheritance pattern of genes can be studied with the help of pedigree analysis. So if you look at this page, the inheritance pattern you can imagine. So son or daughter, genes are inherited from parents. Again genes are inherited from grandparents. So basically inheritance pattern. So what is the use of pedigree analysis? Why we need to study pedigree analysis concept? And many students ask doubts how to solve pedigree analysis problems, because it's an important question both in NEET as well as in CSIR. How to solve the problem? To solve the problem, you have to understand the basic concept. Just look at the problem. Fused earlobe appears in progeny due to a recessive gene. But we need to find out possible genotype of family members in the following pedigree chart. So by looking at the chart, we have to derive possible genotype. So to solve these type of problems, we need symbols. So first, we need to learn symbols. So the purpose of the video is to learn symbols. Just take one page and write all the symbols. Learn the symbols first, and in the next video, I'll teach you how to solve problems. So this is pedigree rangoli. Square shaped symbol for male, round shaped symbol for female, and rhombus shape is for sex unspecified. So remember, square is male, round is female. Shaded square affected male, shaded round region is affected female, and shade rhombus region is affected and the sex is unspecified. If there is a line between a square shaped male and round shaped female, then it indicates mating. And if there are two lines, it indicates consanguineous mating. And third one, just look at the third one. So first indicates the parents, first generation, and second indicates children, parents above and children below. And if you look at the order, in this case, first is female and second is male. That is, first is daughter and second one is son. So order of birth left to right. So just observe the third one, parents above, children below. And in this page, we are observing, see, this is very important. Here your problem starts. So here, parents above, children below, fine. But there is a shaded region in the down box, that is square shaped shaded region. So parents with a male child affected with this is. And if there is a 5 in the rhombus shape, then it indicates 5 unaffected offsprings. And last one, just observe the last one. if you indicate a cross mark or if you indicate a circle, shaded circle, or half shaded portion, it indicates carrier. It may be square shape or round shape. If there is a cross, if there is a shaded circle or half shaded portion, then it indicates carrier. Observe this page. In the first row, dizygotic twins, fraternal twins, non-identical twins. So twins may be two daughters or one son and one daughter or two sons. And in the second one, you are observing identical twins, monozygotic. There is a line. And next one, death. So circle with a slant line or square with a slant line. And the last symbol indicates still death. Observe the last page, and here first indicates adopted female, and second one the square which indicates adopted male, and P refers to pregnancy, and in the rhombus shape one small line which represents miscarriage, and the last symbol represents no children. So just take one page, write down all the symbols in a single shade. It will be very helpful to solve pedigree analysis problems. And in the next video, I'll explain how to solve pedigree analysis.